Is your manufacturing business using video to build awareness, generate leads, and improve your sales process? Well, if you're not, in this episode, you're going to want to see why manufacturing videos and YouTube are so important to staying competitive. The stats are really compelling. You're not going to want to miss this one. Here we go. Hey, what's up? James Soto here with Industrial Strength Marketing, helping you to be a better marketer and seller of your industrial products and services. On this channel, we do interviews, we discuss industrial marketing leadership strategy, but we also do industrial marketing 101 videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Okay, so here's the challenge your industrial marketing team faces today. Your industrial buyer is getting overwhelmed with content. It's in their news feed, it's in their social feed, it's in their inbox, it's in their text messages. It's literally in the ads they see wherever they're consuming content and even video online. You know, today 86% of manufacturers are doing some form of content marketing. And of those folks, 80% of them really prefer video as a specific type of content that they're going to use. And that's second only to using the content that they distribute in social media. That is the social media without video in it. So why are all these folks using video? Well, it's outperforming, and channels like YouTube are growing massively, and it's something you have to really address if you're going to stay competitive. Okay, so why video? Why now? Why video on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, in your inbox, or on your mobile device? Why? Because video helps industrial businesses build their brands and grow their business, all while serving the customer. There is a good time now for us as industrial marketers and leaders when it comes to video. It's just like back in 2002, where a lot of people didn't believe, or they suspected that maybe the web wasn't where their industrial buyer was going to really do business with them. Well, it played out, and we know that you have to have a website strategy in order to be a pace-setting, growing business. Well, video is one of those channels now where there's still an opportunity to really be a pace setter, to be that leader in serving your customer online. And there's more compelling stats when you really just look at the growth of video. By 2019, internet video traffic will account for 80% of all consumer internet traffic. 72% of search on Google last year was for video, and 85% of the US internet audience, they watch videos online. YouTube's now like the second largest search engine. So if you're looking to find and serve your buyer, they're there watching videos every day. That's why, and that's why now. Okay, so what does this video promised land look like? Well, as a marketer, as an industrial marketer, video will help you produce conversions probably better than a lot of other formats that you're using right now. Here's what the data shows. 74% of B2B marketers now say that video content produces conversions better than any other form of content. 68% of YouTube users watched videos that were helpful in their decision-making process. And when it comes to being remembered, viewers retain 95% of a message when they watch it on a video versus when they see it in text. That's how we're wired. That's why video works so well. And having a video, let's say on a landing page, you're trying to be discoverable, makes that page 53% more likely of showing up in a search engine result. It's pretty compelling. Okay, so how do you get out of Earth's orbit? How do you launch into space for your video strategy? That escape velocity is critical for launching a video property. It's important, and there's a great opportunity there. You know why video is so important? Because it's so easy. There's so many barriers to other types of marketing, but video has a low barrier to entry. Do you have an iPhone? Well, you can do it. Do you have a partner? You can hire one. Do you want to scale up your practice to do that? Well, you can do that as well. But the most important thing when you think about getting that, launch velocity or that escape velocity to kind of go into orbit and do this thing amazingly is the fact that you're an industrial. And industrials are best positioned for video. You are an expert. You are an industrial designer. You have engineers. You are experts. You make things. You're not reselling it a lot of times. And if you're in industrial distribution, you're keeping plants up and running. Whatever you do as a manufacturer, distributor, and industrial services companies, you are industrials. You are experts. And that's the type of content that users, that consumers, that customers need. So you get content out there Worry about the quality and worry about the production value as you go, but if you can consistently get a good message and get focused, you can really get something moving that helps you build your brand and grow your business. So where's the evidence? What's the proof? How do we get you convicted? Industrial buyers use video, and industrial buyers that use video are converting into customers. Video marketers get 66% more qualified leads per year. Video marketers achieve 54% increase in brand awareness. And even after watching a video, 64% of these users of video are more likely to purchase a product. And there's statistics about B2B executives saying if they're watching a video, they're more likely to purchase your industrial product or service. There's a lot of stats out there, so we're going to include a boatload of them in the comment section below. So, question of the day, what are you doing in your business to drive video engagement as a marketing strategy? Are there things you're doing to build brand awareness, generate leads, and improve your sales process? Well, if you're doing things, we want to know. Please leave your comments in the section below. Hey, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Industrial Strength Marketing, we're here to help you be a better marketer and seller of your industrial products and services. It's in our name, but it's what you do.